End of 2023. As per our ADA Cardano cost expectation, the base and greatest ADA cost levels are supposed to be 57 cents and 71 cents in 2023. End of 2025. Our Cardano cost expectation 2025 figures that the ADA coin cost is supposed to go somewhere in the range of $1.15 and $1.40 by 2025. End of 2030. Cardano can have a drawn-out future, so there might be degree at ADA's cost to arrive at a high of $8.81. Toward the finish of 2030. Cardano is certainly one of those ventures that of unimaginable expected, beyond being a resource that gets exchanged for benefit. Based on peer-investigated scholastic examination, Cardano has united areas of strength for throughout the long term. Its specialized establishment and the desires of its group have made ADA one of the top digital forms of money on the planet. There is a local area overview that which crypto, beyond ETH, financial backers would like to see overwhelm exchanges in 2035. ADA got 42% of the in excess of 600,000 votes, while Bitcoin got 38.4%. Simultaneously, nonetheless, the worth of the local symbolic ADA remained intensely depleted with a stunning drop of around 90% from its unsurpassed high of $3.10. So will ADA cost bounce back in the approaching year? Is Cardano a wise venture for long haul? We should investigate what Cardano crypto and project are about and check the ADA cost figure for the next few years. If it's not too much trouble, remember that, similarly as with some other cryptographic money, it is almost difficult to make a 100% exact Cardano cost estimate. We notice what least cost and greatest value ADA might possibly have in 1 year or the long haul. However, those are only our assessments. This article doesn't comprise venture exhortation. What is Cardano? ADA. Cardano Network is a decentralized verification of stake (POS) blockchain intended to be a more effective choice to confirmation of work (POW) networks like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It has higher interoperability and versatility potential and is likewise quicker, less expensive, and more feasible than POW blockchains. Cardano establishment expresses that its definitive objective is to be a decentralized application (DApp) improvement stage with an interoperable and versatile multi-resource record and unquestionable brilliant agreements. Cardano was established in 2015 by Ethereum Prime supporter Charles Hoskinson. The Cardano biological system runs on Ouroboros, the main POS agreement convention that is unimaginably secure and, most importantly, is upheld by scholarly examination. Each change to the Cardano guide is peer looked into and secured by an exploration-based system. Cardano sees itself as a refreshed rendition of Ethereum and has blessed itself a third age stage, contrasted in Ethereum's second age certifications. The blockchain stage likewise has an objective of giving financial administrations to the world's unbanked. Notwithstanding a great deal of contest, Cardano, ADA, stays an unbelievably well-known crypto. And at the hour of compassing, it is as yet one of the main 10 digital currencies on the planet by market cap. Cardano Vassal hard fork overhaul. After numerous postponements, Cardano's Vassal mainnet update, which vowed to raise the organization's ability and improve the adaptability of the blockchain, was delivered on 22 September. Moreover, the Plutus V2 cost model was empowered by the Cardano blockchain, bringing about lower exchange costs for savvy contracts. Indeed, even in a down market in 2022, Cardano endeavors to further develop its items reliably. Financial backers ought to feel sure subsequently on the grounds that the task's utility continues to develop. This recognizes Cardano from a few other image monetary forms. Cardano value execution. In the same way as other cryptographic forms of money, ADA has gone through a significant stretch of stagnation in 2019 to 2020. Later on, it arrived at the top at $3.10 in September 2021, predominantly because of the positively trending market and the making of brilliant agreements on the Cardano blockchain. Yet again, and the cost was then compelled to take misfortunes, particularly when the critical bear market started. The year 2022 has not been ideal for most digital currencies clearly, during which Cardano has seen significant decays. ADA value slipped to 2-year lows of $0.240 toward 2022, in the wake of falling by over 16% mid-December's end. That is the reason we generally see question like, is Cardano dead? In spite of every one of these, because of the way that Cardano has every one of the signs of an effective crypto project. An extraordinary group, a steady and strong local area, and a solid specialized establishment. Most ADA value forecasts are as yet bullish on this coin. There are additionally a few financial backers who became frustrated in this coin as they suspect following through on its promises couldn't. In any case, they appear to be a minority, and most holders accept that the future cost of ADA will overwhelm its past ADA crypto value expectation 2023. As per our examination temporarily, Cardano cost expectation for April 2023 shows the typical cost of ADA at 48 cents, and the most elevated conceivable cost for April 2023 would be 52 cents. Further, as per our examination in the long haul, ADA cost expectation for August 2023 shows the typical cost of ADA at 51 cents, and the most noteworthy conceivable cost for August 2023 would be 55 cents. Generally speaking, we foresee that the ADA cost might cross the 70 cents mark toward the finish of 2023. On the drawback, on the off chance that things win for the bears, the altcoin's cost could land at 57 cents. ADA Cardano Value Forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by crypto specialists in regards to the costs of Cardano, in 2025, ADA is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about $1.15 and $1.40 separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.27. ADA Cardano Value Forecast 2030. Our Cardano cost expectation 2030 gauges that the ADA cost might increment and exchange a scope of $7.37 and $8.81 toward the finish of 2030. Simultaneously, the typical ADA cost may be $7.60 all year long. Cardano Coin Value Investigation. The Cardano cost has acquired by 2.5% in the beyond 24 hours, coming to $0.398260 following a 1.5% ascent for the market overall. This level makes for 11% ascent in a fortnight and a 35% increment over the most recent 30 days, with ADA's cost being helped on by the send-off of Cardano-based JED DJED stablecoin last week. ADA's markers propose that it's a great time for the altcoin this moment, with its 30-day moving normal red near surpassing its 200-day blue. In the event that it transcends the more extended term normal structure, a brilliant cross, the coin could be in line for additional increases. Simultaneously, ADA's overall strength list purple keeps on drifting around the 60 imprint. It seems as though it's in a situation to rise once more, with the RSI right now bouncing back each time it experiences a plunge. The digital money environment has ostensibly been shouting out for a solid stablecoin since the breakdown of land in May, and it appears to be that JED fits this bill. For instance, JED is supported by a hold of numerous digital currencies and will have an over-collateralization proportion of somewhere in the range of 400% and 800%. Such a framework is expected to safeguard JED against unexpected falls in the worth of the coins backing it. The appearance of JED has animated additional interest for ADA. Up until this point, JED Save have removed 30.5 million ADA from flow, with this absolute libel